here is turbine wheel. You can see that the notches along the side of the turbine wheel are at the same height as where the ports on the surge housing is. I'm trying to see if I can see there. Now the wheel doesn't hit the housing, and the blade edges that are close to the housing are actually good, so they're not hitting. It's just the wind itself, but it spins freely. So it looks like the bearings are okay. That's the movement of the bearings right there. Can't get it to touch. But the blades are just chopped on the front edge and on the edge that's facing the ports. See right there, right along the ports.